Hello everybody. This is my Maytag Centennial washing machine and it just died. I mean nothing. No drain, no spin, no fill, no nothing. In the interest of time, I didn't want to make the video too long. I already pulled the control panel out. First thing I did was, of course, unplug the unit and then check for power at the outlet. So I'm good there. No fuse blown or anything. And then, well, essentially, this piece has these clips. The back end hooks in on this back tab on the tub, I guess. And then this front one pops in there. And it's on both sides. So if you just take something flat, you can kind of compress this spring, and then and you can rotate that. And there's two screws here also on the back side that need to come out. And then essentially the control panel just rolls forward. It looks like my lid switch is defective. So I guess I'll set you guys up. I took the old one out, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the install on the new one. Bring it back in a sec. Okay, here's my brand new $10 lid switch. I think the way it works is there's a bar on the lid that engages this bottom piece, and then there's two contacts that essentially allow this to close the circuit, and then the washer can run. So I'm hoping that's it. First thing we'll do, we have this, can you see that? Probably can't see it. Have that black plug. That's gonna go, you're just gonna plug that right in. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, let me plug it in first. It's gonna be easiest. Just a little catch there. I guess that's it. Gotta kind of be careful because these are it's just really lightweight plastic. All right, next thing is I have to install the lid switch, and you guys are sitting on the lid, so I got to find a different spot for you. Bring you back. Okay, you just you tip it in, lid goes up, tip it in, you drop this back, so this back clip can clip in, and then lower the lid, and you'll hear it click. You'll hear it actuate the switch, and that's how you know you got it in. There's a grounding lug. As far as tools go, you will need a nut driver. I think it's 5/8 and quarter, maybe. I think this one is this one's a 5/8. I'm not that great with standard English. I'm better with third grade. We spent all of third grade learning the metric system. Now we're not even using it. I'm talking fractions of inches. All right, so this grounding lug goes in. Just make sure you got good contact. Yeah, and then the rest is really just to button up. I think I'm going to just dust this thing off real quick. Hold on. Bear with me 1 second. Sorry. Watch your eyes. And then it's just a matter of, getting this thing back together. I think the back actually has to go in first. So I'm gonna try to the problem is once these tabs go in, man, it is a major pain to get them back out. I'm trying to make sure everything is buttoned up before I push these tabs in. I kind of messed this up a little bit, but there we go. Should just like a glove. Okay, I think that's it. All set to go. Now, cross your fingers and let's see if, hang on 1 second. Well, oh, yep, it's filling, so that works. Yeah. Let me just check the move over to spin. Yep, so that was it. How about that? Oh, I still have these two other screws I've got to, they go in, let me see if I can show you. They go in right back. I don't know if you can see that or not. Going right there. I don't know if my camera can even focus that close. Sorry about the lousy photography. Let me see if I can. Okay. All right, let's see if I can scooch this away from the wall just a hair. And we'll tighten this up. There we go. And then the other side, and then pretty much done. You've already seen enough of that. All right, good luck on your project.